My name is Amit Kapoor, and my model name is ATM machine. It is not just an ATM machine, it is an advanced ATM machine. In ordinary ATM machine, you enter the value and you obtain the desired note by ATM. But in this ATM, this is a credit or debit card which you have. When you insert the credit card into this machine, the light gets on. It's just a prototype of advanced automatic machine. When you just type the button of 200 note, the 100 note arrives.
Your choice.
The note is of your value, of choice of your value, not by ATM, not by the random value which notes are stored in the ATM. It is your desire. You want to withdraw 100 note or 200 note from the ATM. It is just if you want in emergency you want to lose money or lose notes, but by ATM if you just take example, if you want to withdraw 10,000 notes, you can get 2,000 or 500 notes from the ATM. But in there you can take example, you want to withdraw 100 rupees note, then just tap the 100 rupees note and the 100 rupees in your hand. It is just a prototype of advanced ATM machine which can be automated in our country. The chamber in which this ATM is placed is not ordinary. The chamber in which placed because of out of resources, we can place the chamber here in which light is obtained by we can place optical fibers here. Optical fibers and a convex lens on it. When a convex lens light get focused on the optical fibers, the chamber get light from it. And to reduce the heating effect of the sunlight on optical fiber, we can place a condenser or computer fan here. That's why we can create the chamber here. This is some kind of example of renewable ATM chamber in which this ATM machine is placed in our country, so we can reduce the use of electricity or coal in some kind of